Look at how small this 20-watt charger is. It's about the same size as the original 5-watt charger from Apple. Now, I've already done a bunch of videos on the iPhone 12 charging, the best charger and the fastest charger. Now, I wasn't planning on doing another iPhone charger video, but then I saw how small this one was, and I thought it was worth doing a really quick comparison. So first, this is the 5-watt charger that has come with most Apple iPhones for years. I do want to point out that I think it's criminal that Apple is still charging $25 for this charger. It's the same price as their 20-watt charger. This one's 20 watts, this one is 5 watts. Obviously, this one charges with USB-A and this one charges with USB-C. Now, this is the Aukey 20-watt charger, and you'll notice that it is quite a lot smaller than Apple's 20-watt charger. In fact, it's only a little bit bigger than Apple's 5-watt charger. Right now, this Aukey 20-watt charger is priced at $12.74 US. The price kind of varies. It does go up to as high as I think $17.99, but it has dropped in price recently, and I think that price drop might be a little bit more long-term or permanent. And at that $12.74 price, it makes it about $6 cheaper than Apple's own 20-watt charger, which comes in at $19. Also, this comes in black or white. Now, from testing, and as mentioned in previous videos, I've been recommending 18-watt chargers for the iPhone 12 because they don't charge really any slower than a 20-watt charger. And if you can get an 18-watt charger from a reputable brand that is a lot cheaper than $12.74, then you should go for it. Otherwise, this charger from Aukey is great value for like an ultra compact 20-watt charger. And really, this could be the perfect replacement for Apple's lack of wall chargers going forward with their iPhones. You'll find links to this charger in the description below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.